All right, guys, real quick video. Here's what's doing. I started an email. I want to show you guys how to do exactly this, right? Make this kind of money. I did this the other day. I don't know if you saw my previous videos, but I did an email campaign where I sent out an email on the 18th and I made $213. Sent out another email on the 19th, made $426. Sent out another email on the 20th, made $550. Sent another email on the 21st, made $213. And I did not send any email on the 22nd, and I made $763.44. Now, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did and exactly how I did it. But I'm tired of you idiots yelling at me every time I try to help somebody. I try to help you guys. I really do. And I get trolls and idiots and morons telling me it's a lie, it's not true, it's a Photoshop thing. This is not Photoshop, idiot. This is my account. I'm logged into it. And I picked this account. If you don't know, I'm on Clickbank. And the reason I picked Clickbank is because I don't use Clickbank that often. See the previous history here? So when I do a case study to teach people what I'm up to, it's easy to show them on Clickbank because I usually have no history here unless I do a campaign. So it's easy for me to take people step by step and show them exactly what's going on. So I do that and I get nothing but grief from idiots, and I just makes me mental. I don't know why it bothers me. It shouldn't bother me at all. If people want to stay in their life flipping hamburgers for a living, stay in your hamburger life. I don't give 1/5 of a half-eaten shit. But it bothers me because people are becoming stupid. People are just so freaking imbecilic, right? If I showed you how to do this and you told me I was trying to scam you, you're a freaking idiot. You're an absolute freaking idiot. I used to be a truck driver. If somebody would have come up to me and said, "Look, I can show you how to make money like this," and it was copy and paste easy. It really was copy and paste easy. All I did was copy an email that was written for me. I didn't even write the email. The email was written for me. I pasted it into my autoresponder and I hit the send button. It took me maybe 5 minutes per day to do this. And you guys are telling me, "Oh, it's a scam." One imbecile said, "Oh, yeah, but you need a really big email list to do that." No, you don't. But even if you did, if that was your objection, wouldn't you, instead of looking at an obstacle and saying, "Oh, I need a big email list to do that"? Well, you think I was born with a big email list, you idiot? No, I invested a little time and a little energy to build my email list. Why wouldn't you say, "Oh, he can do that after you build an email list? You can make this kind of money in just like 5 minutes a day if I just build my email list"? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to build my email list. No. Instead, the idiot said, "Oh, I can't do that because it requires a big email list." And he created an artificial obstacle for himself. He said, "I cannot do something because it takes a little bit of effort." Well, hey, dude, I got a message for you. The world needs ditch diggers too. So keep digging your ditches, you imbecile, you. Don't put any effort into becoming self-empowered. Don't do anything. And on top of that, troll me and accuse me of trying to scam you, you idiot, you. Because that's what's going on here. I'm trying to scam you. I'm trying to make money off of you. Pisses me off. So what pissed me off about this was my previous video. I was going to make an entire tutorial showing people exactly how I did this. and I was going to give them the exact formula, the exact emails, the exact product, everything. I was going to hand it over to them. And not only that, I was going to give them the rights to sell that course as their own product. But now I don't want to because of the freaking idiots. So here's what I'm going to do. Instead of doing what I originally planned, because I don't want to be accused of being a scammer, now what you're going to have to do to get this is you're going to have to be a member of my website, the Kinghuman Elite. Ooh, scam, he's trying to make money off. Yeah, screw you, you idiot. You want this training? You're going to have to get it. And to get it, you're going to have to become a member of my website. And my website is thekinghumanelite.com. There'll be a link below. Ooh, he's trying to scam me and make money off of me. Ooh. This training is going to be, this training right here on exactly what I did. I'm going to take my members step by step and show them exactly what I did. The exact campaign, the exact emails, the exact way to build up your email list. I'm going to give you the step-by-step plan, but I'm only going to give it to people that are members of my website now. And it's going to be in the money pages this coming month. So the June money pages will have this training. So anyway, by the way, I have I'm giving people free access for 7 days to my website. So there it is, right? Ooh, he's scamming us again. He's tricking us with a free trial to his membership website. And then we have to pay. You can cancel anytime. You freaking idiots drive me crazy. So if you join, you can download as much courses, as many courses as you want. They're done for you, businesses in a box. You can take those. I don't care. You got 7 days to go in and just steal as much as you want. I do not care. And then if you cancel your membership before the 7 days, you will not pay 1 penny. Ooh, he's scamming me. Somehow, there's a scam there somehow. I better go back to flipping my hamburgers. Man, I don't know why I get so triggered by trolls, but I do. And I think the reason I do, and the reason it upsets me when I see stupid people saying stupid things like, oh, I can't do something, it drives me mental because I think back to the days when I was a stupid truck driver. I was a battery in the matrix, right? I knew nothing. I knew how to get a JOB, which stands for just over broke, because that's what I had been programmed to do. Like every other chucklehead out there, I went to a school that programmed me to be a source of cheap labor for somebody else, the plutocrats and the corporations of the world. And so I was in that mode. I was a battery in the matrix. And then I discovered how to become self-empowered. And I appreciated it so much, I thought, you know what? I will teach other people how to become self-empowered. So if they want to escape, they can. But I get triggered by people that come up with these idiotic psychological barriers to their own success. Oh, that takes a huge email list. Therefore what? You can't make an email list, you idiot, you? If I can do it, you can do it. Well, maybe, I don't know. Maybe you're a total freaking imbecile that doesn't even know how to turn on a computer, which is quite possible based on the comment that you made. You idiot, you. Oh, I only see obstacles. I can't do that. Well, maybe you can't. Maybe you're a total freaking idiot. But there are a lot of people that can. You know, I use myself as a barometer, right? As a test case. You got to remember, I'm an old guy. I'm like 63 freaking years old. So most of my income earning life occurred before computers even existed. And I see you idiot kids out there with the world at your fingertips. You've got the world at your fingertips. You know how hard it was for me to earn a living without a computer back in the day? I mean, yeah, you had to do stuff like dig ditches. And now everybody's got access to the world. You've got an amazing tool that empowers people right at your fingertips. And yet People are either too stupid or too lazy to take advantage of it. And it drives me mental. If when I was driving a truck back then, somebody had approached me and said, "Look, I want to help you out. I want to get you to a point where you can make this kind of money in like a couple of minutes a day. And all you have to do is send out emails, right? And it's not even that difficult to send out an email. You can even do a copy and paste. I'll show you how to do it. The thing is, you got to build up an email list, but I'll teach you how to do that too. It's not that hard. If I can do it, you can do it. And I'm going to charge you, if somebody, I don't know, make up a price. If somebody told me they were going to charge me $1,000 for this, I would have said, sold, done. Anything that gets me out of driving this damn truck, I'm into it. This sounds good. I'll do it. Now, if somebody did that and said, I'll teach you this for free, and then you turn around and shit on them and say, oh, that's a scam. Okay, now you pissed me off because, the last thing I'm trying to do is scam people. I'm trying to help people. I'm trying to get them out of the matrix. But whatever. Okay, so now you screwed everything up. I'm not giving you the free course. I'm not giving it to you so you can sell. Now you're going to have to become a member of my website, thekinghumanelite.com. Ooh, it's another scam. Yeah, it'll cost you $19 a month if you remain a member. You don't have to remain a member. So make your troll comments now, idiot. Freaking idiots, man. But I guess I'm the idiot. I'm the idiot because I got triggered. I'm the idiot because I need to just let people be what they are. If you want to keep digging ditches for the rest of your life, I have to say, you know what? That's your choice. I cannot force people to think. I cannot force people to become self-empowered. There are going to be idiots in the world. And the thing I've noticed, there are more and more idiots every day. I don't know what's going on. I think, idiot people are getting together and breeding and raising idiotic little kids. And it's becoming epidemic. You think coronavirus is epidemic? No, stupidity is. Ignorance and stupidity. By the way, those are two different things. All right. I don't care what you do. Get out of my life. Live my life. Trolls, keep trolling. Keep triggering me. I don't care. Freaking idiots. The rest of you guys, the rest of you thinking people, look, maximum respect. Stay healthy. Stay well. Sayonara.